On this sales page, you are witnessing the power of AI agents by Flowmatic. But I'm gonna show you throughout this video how we can use it to its fullest powers. As you can see, this is the actual dashboard. Now, what we've done here is the fact that you can create projects and you can pick through the projects right here or on the left tab. Now, I'll go through one that I've created already, which is called digital marketing, and show you some examples of how good the platform is. Now, there's 3 sections to Flowmatic. The first one is that you got 100 plus tools to use, 150 to be exact. So, whether you want to create social media post captions, Facebook ad, engaging social posts, YouTube video description, and it's loaded. As you can see, we've actually categorized everything for you under different categories: so social media, e-commerce, SEO, product, copywriting, company, audio, image, travel, and comment. Now, let's take an example of creating a YouTube video description. We go through that tab right here, and all we have to do is to place what the video is about. So say it's about health and fitness. What kind of keywords do we want to rank under? Health and fitness, let's look at yoga, relaxation, what else? Inspiration, and you pick the language. It's loaded with loads of languages. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm gonna go with English, and I'm gonna generate. Now it's gonna take a bit until it actually shows you the output, and it's right here. As you can see, it pops it up, and you got welcome to the channel. Here we bring you the best advice and tips on health and fitness, and then you got the hashtags right here. If you go under manage and you refresh, everything is saved under manage for each tool, and you can export through PDF, text, or doc. Now, something else we created, and this is the power of AI agent by Flowmatic, which is the fact that if you go to ChatGPT, you have to insert prompts, and 90% of people don't know how to use those prompts to get the right output. Now here, all you do is you go through the DFY agents that we've created through the system. We've got 38 of them, and we've got something called community agents. So, say you are in a certain niche and you need some sort of a certain workflow. You can create it, and it would show in the community agents for all our users, yourself and everybody that uses Flowmatic. If you want to create an agent and say you want to create a blog post creator, now you don't have to go to ChatGPT and enter any prompts. It's already done for you right here. All you do is pick it, use this agent, and now you pick the top. Write me a blog post about KFC chain and its success tool. For example, we're taking this as an example, and all we do is submit workflow to processing queue. It's going to take a bit and generate. Now everything is stored under the data extractor, so every agent you compile will go through here. All you have to do to see all the ones you've done before is to go to the data extractor tab. Now here it's in process, and we gotta wait a bit until it processes. But I'm gonna show you an example that I did on a price fried chicken, and look at the output. It gives you the title of the blog, the outline of the blog right here, and the whole blog right in here. So now you don't have to deal with any prompts, you don't have to worry, you don't have to actually buy courses, you don't have to go to Fiverr and buy someone a service to create for you. Everything is right in here. Now look at the agents we've created. We've got loads of them. You can create blog posts, brand name hunter, ad copies, social media post creator, YouTube idea and script generators, YouTube video helper, email script writer. All these prompts were created by us, and we're adding more along with the community agents, which you guys might add. Then you've got the chatbot, where you can ask it any question you ever want an answer for, and it will output everything right in here and discuss with you. Well, that's the project section. Now you go to back to main menu. Here we've got a bunch of updates that you'll see on the next pages, like the agency reseller, our other products, Stocks Explorer, and the AI page builder. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.